ready for haul out. We are going to haul out ammonite to check that everything is okay, and it should be. It's not so long time ago we was having her out, so but it's always a little bit scary when they are going to haul out her, because it's 140 ton and the crane can only take 150, so you will see the wheel be much flatter. So the diver is down and will check. So the sling here is coming in the right position and don't touch the fin or the stabilizer. Diver down and he is now checking. And here you see the driver. It's quite time consuming to get the sling correct, but it's very important that they are correct. So you get balance and you don't touch the stabilizer pin. But it's starts to be looking good. Is lifting up. The diver has done his work. And here you see the fin on the side. Now she is coming slowly here. So here you see the big props. And they are painted with the auto, so they are very nice clean. Here we have the boat thruster. Here is the boat thruster. Yeah, Tony is doing excellent work here. So, no new anodes. See that ammonite is a heavy lady. Flat tire is a little bit flat. Even if I know pumping it up slightly. So she's ready to go in sea again. In water again. Back in sea again. And some people on Peanuts Island sunbathing and swimming a little. And now we are heading to Loggerhead Marina. It will be about 9 miles up in Inter Coastal. Oh, here we have behind those house I have my old marina, old Port Cove, which I was flying for half a year. Now we are on the way up to Logerhead, and we will have 2 bridges to pass. So we are just waiting for getting opening for this one. So we did get opening. And since we have the tide with us, we are the one who become to go first. At least that's the normal rules. So first bridge, just one left. We have one of thousands of golf course here in Florida. But this is not owned by Trump. And we are on Inter Coastal Waterway. But to the left here on port side, you see there come a small channel, and here is quite many of those. And one of the many marinas you see in the background now. Here we see a small beach, and for sure that's not natural, it's man-made. In front of us we have a second bridge. So we have got this opening bridge. That we should go first here, the two powerboat, but by some reason the catamaran is going and sneaking in between. Okay. That was our bow thruster. And on port side, you see there is Waterway Cafe. It's a very nice restaurant. Been there a few times. And let's see if we can pass through here without they take it down too early. It had happened. And now we're passing through and here on starboard you see Season 52, which also is even better restaurant. Cool place here. So we have come to Loggerhead Marina, where we will be lying.